prepare yourselves for our first round of assessments. Assessments are kind of like tests, but I use them to see how much you're learning, what we need more practice with, and to really make you feel successful about what you do know, not what you don't know. So make sure that you read all of the directions on this Google Classroom assignment, all of them, and complete all of the steps. You have all three things to do, which is practicing with these pictures, going on Text-Evade, and also practicing the Quizlet sets, because all three of those things will help you make sure you feel prepared and successful for your assessments. For this video, what you need to do is you need to either open a document or find a page of notebook paper to take some notes. I'm going to talk about a couple of example pictures, and I'm going to say two things to describe each one. You need to write down, either type in your document or write on your piece of paper, the name of the student slide and the two things that I say about it in Spanish and in English. Okay, I'll do the first one and show you. Then you're going to look through the slideshow and you're going to pick two more slides, any ones that you want, and you are going to write the student's name of the slide, and you're going to write two sentences to describe the slide in Spanish and in English. Okay, really quickly actually, let me show you some phrases you might want to use. So over here on the board, you can see that there are some important phrases. So these might be some sentence starters you want to use for your description. So me siento means I feel. Se siente means he or she feels. Se sienten means they feel. So if you want to talk about how different people are feeling in the pictures, but if there's no people in the pictures, you can't do that, okay? Hoy means today. I means there is or there are. So if you want to say there is something in the picture, you can do that. And then if you want to say there isn't something, you can say no I. Okay? Hace for a lot of the weather phrases, you should have those in your notes. They're also listed in the Quizlet set for el tiempo. So hace frío, hace calor, and está, some of the weather phrases, está nublado, está lloviendo. Okay, so again, use your notes and your resources to help you in this assignment. Okay, so get your doc opened up or your note page ready so that you can write down the two phrases that I'm going to use to describe the pictures, okay? So, numero uno. So you should write on your note page, Donovan, and then you should put number 1 and number 2 for the two phrases that I'm going to use. Here we go. Let's pick a color we're going to be able to see. All right. En la foto de Donovan, hay un estadio grande. That's my first sentence. You should write that down in Spanish, and you should write next to it what it means in English. Hay un estadio grande. There is a big stadium. So you should have Donovan, number 1. Hay un estadio grande. There is a big stadium. Número 2. Hay muchas personas en el estadio. Hay muchas personas en el estadio. So there are two ways to describe the pictures. So you should have Donovan, number 1, this sentence in Spanish and in English. Number 2, this sentence in Spanish and in English. All right, we're going to go through 3 more, and then you're going to pick 2 of your own slides. So you'll have a total of 6 slides that you have notes on. This is helping you practice for your listening test and helping you practice for your writing test. Okay? At the end, you will submit a picture or the document that you took your notes on. Okay, so you can email it to me, you can attach it to the assignment, just get it to me. All right, picture number 2, slide number 2. Es la foto de Leilani. So you should write her name down. Número 1, hay un lago. Hay un lago. It's hard to see. Hay un lago. So there is a lake. Y está parcialmente nublado. Está parcialmente nublado. It's partially cloudy. So again, Leilani, sentence 1 in Spanish and English. Sentence 2 in Spanish and English. All right, I'm going to stop telling you what to do now because hopefully you know. Slide 3, número 3. Ooh. Unfortunately, I can't talk about all of them, so I'm just going to pick one. Es una playa. It's a beach. Y el agua es azul. That's another description, right? El agua es azul. El color. So make sure you have her name. Spanish, English. Spanish, English. All right, last one that I'm doing for you, and then you're on your own for 2 slides to take notes and practice. Whoa. All right, let's try that again. Ooh. This one's a little different than we're used to seeing. Hace frío. Hace frío. Y las montañas están en Canadá. Las montañas están en Canadá. No están en Wisconsin. All right, so you're going to go through the slideshow, and you're going to pick 2 more slides. It can be your own, that's fine. And you're going to write 2 describing sentences in Spanish and in English, and then you're going to submit those to me and continue on with the rest of the assignment for today. Please send me a message or comment if you have any questions.